Welcome guys, if you want to charge your Jabra Speak 510, right here we have the cable that is attached in this place, and the end is the USB-A. So we have to get the charging brick like this one, for example, plug the cable right here. Next we have to plug this brick with cable to the electricity, and as you can see, the lights up, the power lights up, the Bluetooth lights up, and when you click here on this battery icon, you will get information of the battery level. So in this place, as you can see, it's on the red. It means that it's almost discharged. So the fully charged device will be when you get all of these lights fully lights up. You can check by tapping right here. And when this icon lights up on the red, it means that the device is charging. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.